I remember the day I found out that
Take your time.
that I'm losing Brad. After that, I just wasn't myself, you know.
I've got to leave, Schalky. I've got to leave you, my boy.
Sometimes, sorry, it's so stupid. Sometimes I forget that he's not here. Oh, Brad, remember that time?
Schalky, it's time to move on.
It's just really hard, you know.
Schalky, I'm leaving you now. But it's not forever. I promise you.
Hi, my name is Schalk Bezuidenhout, and I've lost Brad. If you've lost Brad, we want to help you. Call us on 082 I've lost Brad. That number again, that's 082 I've lost Brad.
Hi, I'm Bradford Keen. Many of you don't know who I am, and many more never will. For those of you who do, as you've heard, I'm leaving Mzansi. I'm going to a very cold, inhospitable place called England. However, if you think you're going to miss me, or you feel like you've already lost me, come see me one last time at Assembly Comedy. It's this Thursday, doors open at 7. Show starts at 8. 50 rons from your back burner. That's English rhyming slang. I will be performing alongside my best friend and lover, Schalk Bezuidenhout. So, throw your panties at him. Or me. Me rather. I like panties. Oh, Schalky. It's not me. It's you this time. I mean that. You've got to leave because of it. So, for those of you who don't understand, this, I'm an apparition, a hallucination. Oh, I'm not round here. I've gone for the sake of the video. But it is a shame to have to explain that to you. But let's be honest, you're all a bunch of fucking morons. Joking. I'm a comedian.